time to step up my cinematic game. I got a drone. Getting great shots of Latin girls in bikinis is great and all, but let's face it, there's something to be said about great scenic drone shots too. So I ordered a DJI Spark. Perfect beginner drone. And a beginner I am. Being a drone pilot is going to be another discipline I'll have to master. And this was a pretty good place to practice. Plenty of room, few obstacles, and little wind. My drone was on beginner mode, so the drone would fly only about 60 meters and the same in altitude. It was good for me to start. And then I switched off the beginner mode. I wanted to get that cool cinematic shot of the marina and one of this boat coming out. Then this bird showed up. The gulls started going after my droney. I had a slight panic attack and tried to get it to come back, but it went the other way, so I hit the return home button and a voice said it was landing. Then I had a total panic attack. I pushed another button and managed to get him back to me. That was stressful. Maybe I'm better at getting sexy bikini shots. Perfect, because Greta came with her delicious Cuban food and Daniel. We had planned a mellow outing for the four of us.
Dice resaca en...
¿Resaca?
We stopped for a swim, and I'm always amazed by the color of the ocean when I dive down. And here are some bikini shots. Greta had a slight panic attack. She can move her booty, but she's not the sailing type. Too scared. Not like Natacha here, who has little or no fear, and the best attitude. And, well, Greta makes up for her fear of the sea with no fear of showing off. We watched the sunset and motored back into the brightest of full moons.
Wow, qué guapa. This is a really cool marina, Marina Tazacorte. I've just come to pick up a package from Janet, or can we say Janet? Janet. Okay, let me introduce you to Janet, or Janet in Espanol, and she speaks perfect Spanish and perfect English.
Hello, I'm Janet.
And what do you do here, Janet?
Me, well, I manage the marina. I do everything here. I've been here for 10 years now, since the marina opened.
And how come you speak such perfect English and Spanish?
Because I was born and brought up in London, so my English, as you can see, is perfect. Well, it's my first language. Y también hablo español porque mis padres pues son de aquí y pues hablo los dos idiomas perfectamente.
That is so awesome, isn't it?
Okay, pleasure.
This has to be my favorite spot of all the Canary Islands, for its beauty and climate, but most of all for its people. My neighbors Holger and Carmen, who sailed all the way down from East Germany, are basically living here now. They call themselves time millionaires. In the staff, just look at these two. How can you not love them?
Hola marinero, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás, Dani?
Bien.
Bien.
No como tú estás mejor que yo. Tú estás mejor que yo.
No, no.
Sí, mira cómo te ríes, cómo estás con la cámara. Bañadora.
Bueno, un bañador a mi corazón.
Está bueno, sí, de nube. Está mejor acompañado, aunque yo también estoy muy bien acompañado. Yo también estoy muy bien acompañado. Pero tú estás mejor
Tú junto con nosotros, guapas. Okay. These guys are really cool. It's Marcus and Miriam, Austrian folks. They're almost Swiss.
This is true, yeah.
When are you going?
Next Monday.
Where are you going?
It's
Yeah.
for 7 months.
Are you going to the beach?
They'll be going back to Vienna until they come back next summer. Meanwhile, the time millionaires spend their time generously.
But we are not really ready for going.
It's hard to go, better to come, like these Scotsmen. There are people from all over in this place. Staff is always welcoming time millionaires and distant voyagers.
¿Todo bien?
Mejor marina del mundo, mejor clima. Bueno,
¿Y gentes? ¿Los gentes o?
también.
Mejor servicio, mejor todo.
And then there's this incredible human being.
This is my neighbor, Arturo, el doctor. And he's gonna help me set up a good first aid kit to go to Africa. He's checking everything that I have and what I may need.
Importante, como te decía, es lo que llevas como la organización.
Ajá.
¿Mm? Porque en el mar todo es urgente y no puedes perder tiempo en buscar, sacarlo todo,
Claro,
que
claro.
tengo, dónde está, no. Y una buena organización, por ejemplo, es traumatología, golpes.
Ajá.
Es muy frecuente en el mar, golpes. Tener todo lo de los golpes y vendajes y traumatismos junto. Heridas y quemaduras.
Ajá.
También es muy frecuente y es importante, si hay una herida o una quemadura, rápidamente sacar la caja adecuada, que tengo todo lo que necesito para quemaduras o para heridas junto, ¿vale?
Vale.
Y luego aparte, ya medicación.
How lucky I am to be here. This is another neighbor and sailor. He lives here.
Qué chulo este coche. What a cool car. This is Esteban.
He also lived and worked in Africa many years and had a lot of good tips for me.
How was your trip to
Gomera?
Gomera?
Great. Really.
This is
Beautiful night.
Yeah.
By a Gran Rey.
Yeah.
And then go to Tenerife. Cool.
You went with him to Tenerife too?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay.
Yes. From Gomera to Tenerife was very quiet. No wind.
No wind?
No.
Motor?
No.
Yeah.
Well, a little bit sailing between San Sebastian and the Channel Fog.
He's originally from La Palma, and now, after living in Equatorial Guinea, he's starting a new project here on his island.
There's one small problem. My friend here in the back, she's in love with Damien.
She's in love with Damien.
Yeah.
Well, I understand that.
You understand that?
Il est beau.
Il est beau.
Damien is Esteban's son, also living here. We went to town for something I needed to get before leaving the archipelago. A lifelong souvenir and a feather in my sailor's cap. Yep, those of you who've gone under the needle know that sound. I wanted a real sailor's tattoo, so I got my first sparrow, which symbolizes that I've sailed 5,000 nautical miles. Then I wanted something to mark me as I've been marked by the Canaries. Tattoo artist Aaron here proposed several designs, and I chose an indigenous hieroglyph that is found carved on rocks here. 7 circles for the 7 islands. I will never forget the Canaries. Then we needed provisioning. No better place than German superstore Lidl.
Little, my favorite store. For provisioning, it's awesome. Highly recommend. I don't know if we'll find one in Cape Verde, but Little. Promotion for them. Very best store.
Daniel was so cool to give us a helping hand.
Provisioning, thank you, Daniel. Gracias, Danny.
Con mucho gusto.
So here we have a good part of our provisions. We may get some more water. It's really cheap. All this food, there's tons of it, was less than 300 euros. About $300. Tons of stuff. So now I'm going to put all this away.
We defrosted the freezer and I put things away. I had plenty of storage for this. Lots of drinking water. As they say, there is little on Cabo Verde. The last thing we needed was to get clearance out of the Eurozone. I was told I needed to go to the Policía Nacional to get this in Santa Cruz. Again, Danny was cool enough to drive us where the police station was.
We're waiting here to get our passport stamped to leave, but it seems a little complicated. We're at the police station here in Santa Cruz. Danny was kind enough to bring us here, so we're waiting to see if we can do it to leave Wednesday.
Well, we did not get our passport stamped that day. We were told to come back the day we would leave, which was a pain. I explained this to our Spanish neighbor who happened to be in the police force. He said it was not necessary. Then I went to Janet at the office and she gave me an official paper saying we are leaving. Later I went to see Arturo to complete my pharmacy.
Hola, Arturo.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo estamos?
Mi vecino preferido. Ah, no, los otros son bien también. Hola, Silvia.
Hola.
Hola, padres.
Padre, abuelo, quiero llegar a mis abuelos. Bueno, ya veremos a ver. No quiero pasar de ahí porque ya son más de 100 años, ya muchos años. Yo con 99, muy bien.
Lo que faltaba.
Ah, sí, dos más.
Pastillas antipánico.
Antipánico, sí.
Lo que se conoce como tranquilidad.
Luego tienes Enantium, que es para el dolor.
Ajá.
¿Vale? Esta es desclorfenamina. Esto es antihistamínico para alergia.
Vale.
Y 2 ampollitas de Primperan, metoclopramida, para vómito.
Ah, para vómito, ok.
¿Vale?
Todo se mete con inyectable.
Y además...
qué guay,
por
sí.
si acaso.
Qué bien.
¿Vale?
Sí.
Y vendas, unas pocas vendas.
Perfecto.
Esta es para pegar.
Ajá.
Y esta es de tela.
Ok.
Esa de tela que se ajusta a ella sola.
Ah, vale. Wow.
Con esto, si no hay que utilizarlo,
Mejor.
Sí.
Mejor. Ahí, guardado.
Y recordarte, ¿compraste lejía?
Ajá. Sí, yo compro. ¿Quiere ver que yo compro? Arturo is the man. He set me up with my pharmacy here. So I'm going to show him what I bought yesterday. Make sure I got everything right. Coolest neighbor, I tell you.
Mamá, mira para allá.
Chao. Chao, mi amigo.
Yo creo que con esto es fundamental.
Ok, vale.
Para llevar, ¿vale? Augmentin, antibiótico.
Ajá.
Citromax,
Ajá.
también antibiótico.
Ajá.
Astefor. Astefor es un analgésico para dolor fuerte. Lleva ibuprofeno más codeína juntos.
Sí,
Entonces es un buen analgésico para dolores fuertes.
Claro.
¿Vale? La diferencia que hay aquí entre Augmentine y Citromax, los dos son antibióticos. Augmentine es un antibiótico general. Cualquier infección, heridas, vale para cualquier infección prácticamente. Es 3 al día, cada 8 horas.
Ok.
¿Vale? Este es muy bueno en piel, heridas de piel, infecciones en la piel o respiratorio. Aparato respiratorio, bronquitis.
Vale. Sí.
Y es más cómodo porque son 3 comprimidos.
Sí.
Solo 3.
Solo 3.
3 días.
3 días.
Okay. O sea, hoy, mañana, cada 24 horas, a la misma hora.
Vale.
Y con 3 pastillas tienes dosis completa, dura en la sangre unos 7 a 10 días.
Bien.
Entonces el tratamiento es completo con 3 pastillas. Más fácil, más sencillo. Es un antibiótico también muy eficaz. Y Aumentine pues es un antibiótico general para cualquier cosa, pero es cada 8 horas. Tienes que tomar 3 cada día. ¿Vale? Y el Astefor, el calmante, ¿de acuerdo? Alerlicin es antialérgico. Sirve para picaduras, urticarias, costras de piel o reacciones de alergia. Cidine, esto es para aparato digestivo. Problemas de estreñimiento, gases, mala digestión.
Sí.
Muy bien.
Gracias.
Con esto yo creo que es suficiente. Buen viaje.
Sí. Pero nos vemos mañana.
Sí.
Vale, ok, bien.
Buen viaje seguro esta noche.
Mañana te hacemos la despedida, Alex.
Sí.
Pero llorando.
Oh. You're gonna cry.
Vuelve al sitio que a ti te gusta, Alex. Vuelve al sitio que a ti te gusta.
Pero...
Sí. It's a secreto. It's a secret. It's terrible here. Horrible. Terrible.
It's sad to go, but it's exciting to finally start making our way to Africa. With just one more stop,